Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to export a Claude AI conversation. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because just type in something, how are you? And then he is telling us how he is doing, something like that. And then right now, if you want to export this, or maybe all the details that we were talking about in the past, then what we can do right here is go left in the bottom and select right here settings. Then we go to privacy, and then right now we can export data right here. So we click on export data. Then right now he will export all the conversations, all the users, all the projects. And then right now we can select right here for 30 days or 90 days or maybe a custom time range. But let's do all for now. And then we click right here on export. And then what he is going to do is he will export all the information and he will send a link to your email address with the information that you want to download. So go to your email address in a few seconds and then you can download it from there. So right now, if we are here in our email address and we go to junk, you see right here that your data is ready for download. So now we can download it and then we do visit link. And then right now we can download our data right here in a nice zip file. So this is how you can export your Claude conversations right here in a video. So hopefully this was the video we was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.